In the market full of conventional choices, this crossover stands out not just with its unique design approach, but also with upscale design that completely changed what people typically expect from a Toyota. And now, it's getting even better, with significant improvements you've been waiting for. Stay with us and check out 6 reasons why waiting for the 2026 Toyota Crown Signia is a genius move. Number 6. Enhanced hybrid system. The 2026 Toyota Crown Signia comes equipped with Toyota's refined 4th-generation hybrid powertrain, delivering even better performance and efficiency than its predecessor. This system pairs a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with 2 electric motors for a combined output of 243 horsepower. Plenty of muscle for daily driving while maintaining impressive fuel economy ratings. What makes this system special is its implementation. The powertrain delivers EPA-estimated fuel economy ratings of 41 miles per gallon city, 38 miles per gallon highway, and 40 miles per gallon combined. Numbers that leave most conventional crossovers in the dust, and even outperform many competing hybrid models. With the electronic continuously variable transmission, power delivery is smooth and responsive, avoiding the typical rubber band effect that plagues some CVTs. Perhaps most impressive is the standard all-wheel drive system. Unlike mechanical all-wheel drive setups that add weight and complexity, Toyota uses an electric motor to power the rear wheels when needed. During normal driving, the system prioritizes front-wheel drive for maximum efficiency, but can instantly redirect power when wheel slip is detected. The result is confidence-inspiring traction without sacrificing fuel economy. With gas prices continuously fluctuating, choosing the 2026 Crown Signia's hybrid system isn't just an environmental decision, but a financial one too. The fuel savings alone could justify waiting for the newer model, especially if you plan to keep your vehicle for several years. Number 5. Premium interior experience. Where the 2026 Crown Signia will definitely stand out is the way its interior is designed. The cabin exudes a level of sophistication typically reserved for luxury brands. The horizontally oriented dashboard features a clean, modern design with the perfect balance of physical controls and digital displays. Material quality sets new standards for the brand. Soft touch surfaces cover nearly every touch point, with tasteful bronze accents providing visual interest without looking ostentatious. The raised center console creates a cockpit-like feel, cocooning the driver and front passenger and premium comfort. The leather-trimmed seats deserve special mention, featuring unique perforation patterns and contrast stitching. They look like they belong in a vehicle costing thousands more. The Crown Signia's cabin approaches Lexus territory in terms of refinement and attention to detail. When sitting in this vehicle for the first time, you'll immediately notice the premium feel that distinguishes it from typical Toyota offerings. Available in black or saddle tan color schemes, the interior creates an upscale ambiance that makes every drive feel special. Tech integration is seamless, with dual 12.3-inch displays, a digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel, and a touchscreen infotainment system in the center. Unlike some competitors who've eliminated physical controls entirely, Toyota wisely retained intuitive knobs and buttons for climate and core audio functions, a thoughtful touch that enhances everyday usability. When considering the premium interior experience of the 2026 Crown Signia, it's clear Toyota has created something special, a vehicle that delivers luxury-adjacent quality at mainstream pricing. Number 4. Distinctive exterior styling. In a world of increasingly homogeneous crossover designs, the 2026 Crown Signia will stand out with its bold, genre-defying styling. Neither conventional wagon nor typical SUV, this unique vehicle creates its own category with a silhouette that demands attention, without resorting to aggressive design gimmicks. The front end features a distinctive hammerhead shark-inspired fascia that's impossible to miss. Ultra-slim LED headlights stretch across the vehicle's width, giving the Crown Signia a futuristic premium appearance. The massive piano black grille dominates the face, creating an unmistakable presence that announces this isn't your typical Toyota crossover. From the side, the Crown Signia reveals its most unique characteristic, a profile that combines wagon-like proportions with elevated ride height. At 60.6 inches tall with generous ground clearance, it's noticeably taller than a typical passenger car but maintains elegant proportions that avoid the boxy look of traditional SUVs. The 21-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly, enhancing the vehicle's elevated stance while maintaining visual balance. The rear features full-width LED taillights that create a modern signature instantly recognizable at night. The clean, neat design emphasizes width and stability, while the integrated spoiler and slightly sloping rear glass add just the right amount of sportiness. Even the dual exhaust outlets are perfectly integrated into the rear bumper, a detail that shows Toyota's commitment to design excellence. For buyers tired of conventional crossover styling, but unwilling to sacrifice practicality for a sedan, the 2026 Crown Signia offers a refreshing alternative that blends the best aspects of both worlds. Number 3. Advanced safety technology. Safety has always been a Toyota priority, but the 2026 Crown Signia takes protection to new heights with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, the brand's most comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies to date. This advanced system brings significant improvements to core safety features, making it well worth the wait. The pre-collision system with pedestrian detection has been upgraded to better recognize cyclists and motorcyclists, even in low-light conditions. Dynamic radar cruise control works across all speed ranges, from highway cruising down to stop-and-go traffic, maintaining a preset distance from vehicles ahead. Lane departure alert with steering assist keeps the Crown Signia centered in its lane and provides gentle correction if the vehicle begins to drift. Beyond these fundamentals, the 2026 model introduces several features not found in other Toyota models. Traffic jam assist provides limited hands-free driving capability in heavy congestion at speeds below 25 miles per hour. Proactive driving assist subtly helps with steering, braking, and acceleration to reduce driver workload during routine driving. The panoramic view monitor gives a 360-degree bird's-eye view of the vehicle's surroundings, making parking in tight spaces substantially easier. Standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control come on every trim level. No need to pay extra for essential safety features. This comprehensive approach to safety technology makes the 2026 Crown Signia an excellent choice for safety-conscious buyers. Number 2. Enhanced tech features. The 2026 Crown Signia will come loaded with technology that puts even some luxury brands on notice. The dashboard features dual 12.3-inch displays, a digital instrument cluster, and touchscreen infotainment system, both with crisp graphics and responsive controls. The interface has been completely redesigned for better usability, with intuitive menus and customizable settings. Navigation comes standard, featuring cloud-based mapping that stays current without requiring manual updates. Smartphone integration is seamless with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto included on all trim levels. The Crown Signia also features Toyota's Drive Connect subscription service, enabling intelligent voice commands using natural language processing. No need to memorize specific command phrases. The premium JBL audio system delivers impressive sound quality through 11 strategically placed speakers. Bass response is tight, mid-range is clear, and high frequencies are crisp without becoming harsh at higher volumes. Even audiophiles will appreciate the system's ability to reproduce complex music accurately. Charging options abound throughout the cabin. A wireless charging pad in the center console accommodates the largest smartphones, while multiple USB-C ports serve both front and rear passengers. The Crown Signia even includes a 120-volt AC power outlet in the rear, allowing passengers to plug in laptops or other devices that require household power. With over-the-air update capability, your 2026 Crown Signia can receive software improvements and new features throughout ownership, ensuring your vehicle stays current with the latest technological advancements. Number 1. Exceptional value proposition. Perhaps the most compelling reason to wait for the 2026 Toyota Crown Signia is its remarkable value proposition. Despite offering near-luxury quality and features, Toyota has managed to keep pricing surprisingly competitive. The base XLE trim will start around $40,000, while the well-equipped limited trim comes in at approximately $45,500. The top-of-the-line Platinum trim, featuring all available technology and luxury amenities, will come with a starting MSRP around $53,000. These figures represent extraordinary value considering the vehicle's premium positioning and extensive feature set. What makes this value proposition even more impressive is the comparison to luxury branded alternatives. Similar vehicles from premium manufacturers would easily require $10,000 to $15,000 more for comparable features and quality. The Crown Signia essentially delivers a luxury experience without the luxury price tag. Even compared to the Toyota Highlander Hybrid, the Crown Signia makes a strong case. While the Highlander is larger with optional third-row seating, the Crown Signia offers more sophisticated styling, better fuel economy, and a more premium interior, all while starting at a lower price point. Toyota's reputation for reliability and strong resale value further enhances the Crown Signia's value proposition. The standard 2-year, 25,000-mile complimentary maintenance program adds additional savings, covering routine service for the first 2 years of ownership. When considering total cost of ownership, purchase price, fuel savings, maintenance costs, and projected resale value, waiting for the 2026 Toyota Crown Signia becomes not just an emotional decision, but a rational one as well. But it's not the only SUV that's worth waiting for. Check out this video about 8 reasons to wait for the Subaru Crosstrek, which you can now see on the screen. Subaru's small SUV is coming with substantial updates that will turn it into an even more versatile package than it currently is. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.